Welcome back mga kadangers! Welcome back dito sa ating Inday Kuradangerz channel. Alright, so we are going to have another product to try or to review mga kadangs. As you can see in the title and in our thumbnail that we are going to try these two products. This is the Kojie San Skin Lightening Face Cream. And this one is the Goji Sun Skin Lightening Cleanser plus Toner, mga kadangs. Alright, so we are going to try these products, mga kadangs, kung hiyang ba tayo or not, mga kadangs. But before anything else, mga kadangs, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dito sa ating Inday Kuradangerz channel, please hit the button below and of course like this video kung ganahan mo diri sa itong channel, mga kadangs. Alright, let's go sa intro. This is the packaging. It has the zero pigment light with hydro moist. Ayan, so we have here some how to apply and of course the claim of the products, mga kadangs. And yeah, this is the packaging and it has a sealed right here. Let's open this one. And yes, here it is. Again, we get here manufacturing date and of course the expiry date, mga kadangs. And let's get into the toner. This is the packaging. Alright, and of course the claim of the products. It is 100 ml. Alright, Goji Sun, guys, it's known to lighten out our skin, mga kadangs, as effective as early as 7 days, mga kadangs. It has a zero pigment like technology. This is a unique skin lightening delivery system that effectively bonds the potent active ingredients to ensure that it is absorbed by and activated in your skin. That is why this is so very known, mga kadangs, no? I don't know kung hiyang, kaya nga i-test out natin to, mga kadangs. And of course this cream, mga kadangs, let's try this also. And of course naka-seal din to siya. Itong, let's open para matingnan natin kung yung ano ba niya, mga kadangs, is ano yung pampa siya or ayan, ganyan lang siya, mga kadangs. You can pour this in a cotton pad or a cotton balls, mga kadangs. Wala siyang amoy, para lang siyang micellar water. And I'm sorry sa background noise, mga kadangs, meron nagtatrabaho sa store natin. And of course this one, mga kadangs, the face cream. Bango, naamoy ko agad. Meron siyang ano dito, ayan. Ayan siya, color white, a creamy na consistency niya, mga kadangs. And yeah, para lang siyang lotion. And ang bango niya, very mild scented na hindi nakaka-disgust yung amoy. Alright, let's try this out, mga kadangs. Alright, so we are going to have an update with this product mga kadangs kung effective ba or something final thoughts about these two products mga kadangs. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much sa pagsama kay Inday Kuradang sa video na to. And abangan nyo ang ating final thoughts about these products mga kadangs. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe dito sa ating Inday Kuradang channel and be part of our Inday Kuradang family. So magkita-kita na sabtan our next video. Thank you so much for support always mga kadangs. Bye!